Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop a Wallpaper Engine animation. The first thing I want you to do is open up a Wallpaper Engine settings. So you can go ahead and open up the Wallpaper Engine app and then click here to access the settings. And then here you should find playback settings. You can do that if you don't have the app open. You can click on this icon to show the hidden icons, and then you can go ahead and right click on Wallpaper Engine here, click on settings, and then that would give you the same options. Now here under playback, what I want you to do is go ahead and change these from where it says keep running to pause. So here other application focused will pause it, other application maximize also pause this one as well, including these, and then we need to go ahead and click on OK. Now, if I go ahead and open up any other application, let's say this one, as you can see, the animation has paused. And if you want to pause it completely, even when you are on the screen, you can just click on that icon, right click here, and then here you should see pause, and there you go. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.